Need to change your ChatGPT password for your OpenAI account? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. There is no password change option directly inside the ChatGPT interface, so you must use the login page. You will need to first log out of your account and then go to the main login page for the ChatGPT platform. So let's open chatgpt.com. Tap on Login. On the login screen, you will need to enter your email address and then click the Continue button as normal. Instead of entering your old password, you will click on the Forgot Password link that is shown on the screen. OpenAI will then send you an email with a link or with a code and instructions to help you reset your password. You can then click the link in your email and follow the simple steps to create a new, secure ChatGPT password. I will just write the code and click Continue. Now I will be able to reset the password by typing the new password twice. And that's how you can change your ChatGPT password by using the official password reset method from OpenAI. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.